Hello everyone, welcome back. You just met your AI employee and saw the confetti trick. Now let's just fire them for real. I'm just kidding. So just click on this drop down arrow and go to home. So now we have a fresh new chat window to start the next project. So now we are going to build a complete gorgeous one-page website, the kind that normally costs $2,000 plus from a designer, using exactly one sentence. Are you ready? So here it is. I'm going to type it slowly so you can copy it word by word. Let's begin. Create a stunning one-page website for a productivity coach called Nitin. Use soft blue and purple colors, big bold headings, a dark mode toggle in the top right, a section that says double your focus in 30 days, 3 benefit cards with icons, a contact form at the bottom that sends me an email, and make confetti explode every time someone submits the form. Make it look modern and professional. Now hit enter, or you can also click on start designing button. Both will have the same impact. So let's click on that and wait a while. So it's working and the preview will be available soon. It's defining the website structure, outlining core elements, so one of my McAfee extension is blocking the page, so I choose view all block contents. So it's done now. Let's see the app. So we have the dark mode as well. If you click on it, it turns the website mode into dark. So we can toggle this. Let's see the contents. We have the cards as we requested. We have the contact form as well. Let me just test it quickly. Let me enter a name. say John Doe, my email, my student satisfaction, and click on apply now. And it worked. You can also click on this new tab button. It will open the whole page into the new tab. It's a temporary link that you can use. So it can give you a better view here. Like this. That's it. Just one sentence, no dragging anything, no choosing colors, no writing a single line of code. This page is now live on the internet with its own web address. In order to share it, we need to publish this app. So click on the publish button so that you can get a shareable link. If you want to share, you can share it with anyone. So currently it is publishing this page on the internet. This is one of the promotional banner from Replit. We close it for now. So now it is published, so we can click on the share button and we get a link that we can try to open in another tab like this. And you can send this link to anyone right now, and it works perfectly on phone or laptop. And remember, you can change anything just by talking again. Let's see. Change the main color to teal and gold and make the heading say triple your income in 90 days instead, and hit enter or click on this upper arrow button. It's working, and see, it took just couple of seconds and completed the changes. You can see now. So after making the changes, we just need to click on this republish button to get a new shareable link. So I just republished it and I opened that link now, and it is now available, and we can share this link with our friends and they can test the same. And that was fast. We can try to change the theme to dark and light, toggle here, or make any other changes as you like. So this is the exact same method we are going to use for every single app in the course. 1 or 2 sentences, magic, tweak with more sentences, and done. I have written some homework for you. Let me show that. So if you are following along, just open the chat box again on your screen and change the coach name to your name and change the topic to anything you want. fitness, money, love, or whatever, press enter and watch it rebuild for you. And copy the live link after publishing it and drop it in the Q&A section below. I will reply to every single one. In the next video, we are going to build a working calculator with one sentence. Yes, real math, real buttons. You can pause here and play with your new website, change a few things, and when you are ready, then hit play, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching this video.